Les croyants appellent l'âme. Et
C'est ça, justement, que mes interviews dans la rue, c'est un peu, je demande aux gens, mais qu'est-ce que t'en penses? Que je fasse une interview avec toi, en vidéo, et que je te pose des questions. Attends, déjà, je te montre une vidéo que j'ai fait. Je peux?
ouais.
I want to take a nap right now. But I keep putting off recording this thing, which is, I was having a conversation with my friend Fred the other day, and he told me a story about a dog who attacked another dog and was going to kill him. And the people around didn't know what to do to get the big dog off the little dog. And eventually someone fills the big dog's bowl with dog food and shakes the bowl. And the big dog, finally lets go of the little dog. And they had tried everything before this. And goes over to his food bowl. After telling me the story, Fred stated that dogs aren't like us. That was an example of how dogs aren't like us. They don't think like us or something. I wish I could remember his exact words, but he said, like, dogs are funny and they're not like us. And I said to him, no, actually, in the predictability of their sort of irrationality or of their programming, they're very much like us. Humans have those things where you shake the food bowl and their priorities suddenly change. Humans are also programming. Click were. And I felt like that was such a beautiful, perfect point to make. And I think I did not make it. I did not succeed in transmitting it. There's a guy I met today that I interviewed who said something about other animals not having thoughts. You and I can agree they don't have nearly the same level of language. They don't even have what we would consider rudimentary language. I mean, to them, yes, they have rudimentary language, but nothing that would make it on the scale of human language. But is there activity in the brain that could be labeled thoughts, just like the activity in the brain? Any activity in the brain, in the human brain, that isn't articulated, even internally, could be labeled a thought? Yeah. So anyway, humans, just to let you know, we're awesome in some ways. We're not special, though. It's not as simple as we just have something, soul, thoughts, intelligence, consciousness, whatever, and other animals don't. I mean, even language isn't something that's unique to us.